Welcome to INR Auto. The 2025 Lexus RX350 is set to redefine luxury in the midsize SUV market, combining Lexus's renowned craftsmanship with advanced technology and a striking design. Known for its reliability and comfort, the RX350 has been a staple in the luxury SUV category, and the 2025 model pushes these attributes even further, making it an appealing option for those who appreciate both style and substance. The 2025 RX350 is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers a smooth 295 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain ensures a refined driving experience with ample power for highway cruising and confident acceleration. For those seeking better fuel efficiency, Lexus offers a hybrid variant, the RX450h, which combines the V6 engine with electric motors to deliver over 300 horsepower and significantly improved fuel economy, making it one of the more efficient options in its class. The exterior design of the 2025 RX350 is a perfect blend of elegance and modernity. The signature spindle grille has been refined with a bolder, more aggressive look, complemented by sleek LED headlights and sharp body lines that convey a sense of motion even when standing still. The overall design is both aerodynamic and aesthetically pleasing, giving the RX350 a commanding presence on the road. Inside, the RX350 is nothing short of luxurious. The cabin features high-quality materials, including leather upholstery, wood trim, and soft-touch surfaces, creating a serene and upscale environment. The interior also boasts advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, enhancing both safety and convenience. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Lexus RX350 starts at around $50,000, placing it competitively against rivals like the BMW X5 and Mercedes-Benz GLE. However, what sets the RX350 apart is its reputation for reliability and lower ownership costs, thanks to Lexus's consistent build quality and long-term durability. Thanks for watching INR Auto. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.